Carefully open your box. Remove the large foam packaging from around your track. And place your track on a work surface.
Begin by carefully removing the shrink wrap from the outside of your packaging. Next, unfold the track. Carefully remove the plastic sleeve from the track, being careful not to disturb any of the components on the inside of the track. Remove the packaging material from the master carrier body halves. Ensure the drive belt stays in the track as the master carriers are brought together, and slide the track into the splice. Tighten the splice on the track. Bring both master carrier body halves together and insert center clip. Attach the ripple fold cord as you're assembling the master carrier arms.
Test the track operation by moving the master carriers from open to closed. Install the track to the wall or ceiling prior to installing the motor. Fully charge the battery prior to installation. Two-person assembly and installation suggested.